This week I will reveal my journey as a YouTuber and some behind the scenes stuff. Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. And it's number 500. I can't believe it, I've been keeping up with the weekly video for 9.5 years. It wouldn't have been possible without your encouraging words and reports. For some time now, I haven't been able to respond to all the comments, but I do see them, so thank you so much for your support. This week, I will reveal my journey as a YouTuber and some behind the scenes stuff. I blindly started this channel with no strategy or planning. I still don't. Believe it or not, I spent 8 to 10 hours a week to make this 5-minute video, researching, scripting, shooting, and editing. Usually the day before, but often the day off. I do everything by myself because if I want to hire someone, it requires days or even weeks of planning. Lack of planning has made me work on my video while traveling alone or with my friends. I am grateful for my generous friends who have been in my video too. I am nowhere near a definition of a model successful YouTuber. The only thing I got going is the consistency because of your kind words and the naming. If I didn't call it Massage Monday, I would have quit long time ago. But Monday kept coming, and as far as I know, it will keep coming. I will try to be more organized and less spontaneous in the future. This lockdown has been a wonderful opportunity to plan ahead and shoot multiple videos. Nope, I haven't done it. Let me share the top 4 videos on my channel. Number 4, acupressure points for constipation. Lots of people are getting relief from constipation. As I did last week, now I have a version safe for pregnancy. So if you know someone who's suffering from constipation, please share this with them. Number 3, anti-aging facelift massage, how to get rid of face fat. This is a short version of the Tanaka method, aka Zogan massage. People are getting immediate results and they're getting compliments from others. That must feel great, and I'm so happy to hear that. Number 2, thyroid massage to look 40 years younger. So many people commented on my hypothesis that maybe Nino looked 40 years younger, not from the thyroid massage, but because she remained single and she had a policy of dating someone no more than 3 months at a time. If you watch the video, make sure to read the comments, or go there just to read the comments to see different perspectives. And number 1, how to massage sciatica to reduce leg pain. This one has more than 1 million views. If you know someone who has a hip pain or pain shooting down the leg, please share this with them. What they think is sciatica could be pseudosciatica caused by trigger points, not necessarily the inflammation of sciatic nerve. If that's the case, the pain will go away if you loosen the trigger points. Thank you again for all the likes, comments, and constructive criticisms. And thank you for suggestions for my channel. I have quite a few for a guided meditation or something for relaxation because of the way I talk. I have never done it and I have no idea what to say for a guided meditation. But I'm exploring the idea to bring awareness to different body parts. So here's my question. What do you love or appreciate about your eyes? Anything you can think of, please let me know in the comments below what you love or appreciate about your eyes, aka the window to your soul. You're welcome to include your third eye too. To ASMR people, please let me know if you have any ASMR specific suggestions. Lastly, with the uncertainty of the future of the hands-on massage therapy, I have a PayPal link for a donation now. If you found any of my videos helpful, and if you feel so inclined, I would really appreciate a donation, whether it's $1 or $1 million. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe. And click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos up and out. Oh wait, I have another revelation. I just turned 50 recently. Here, I kept my promise to reveal my age sometime this year. Don't be surprised if I do more anti-aging stuff in the future.